Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to work on my Alaska journal I've been doing with you guys, and I will make sure to have the playlist on the end screen so you guys come check it out if you want to start from the beginning with this. Okay, and now this is some fun stuff I've brought back from Alaska, just some flyers and pamphlets and different things like that. And the one thing that they have in common that I don't like is how shiny they are. See the shine on them? No, don't like the shine. So today I want to take the shine away on them and mix a couple of things out of them with you guys to put into our Alaska junk journal. So let's get started here. All right, I'm just gonna put all this over to the side and start with this one. And what I have here is a solution that you can find with household items around your house that most people have. And if you want to know how to make this, I will put that video at the end screen, at the end of this video, and you guys can come check it out. It's how to take the shine out of pretty much like magazine pages, calendars, just shiny book pages, any kind of shine, and it really does work. So this is how shiny it is, and I did a little test for you guys so you could see right here that it took the shine away. I just did this chunk at the bottom here just to make sure you guys can see it, but see how shiny the rest of it is. So it takes a lot of the shine out. I've noticed when there is dark in the background, the pigment of the darker areas, it doesn't want to take all the shine out of it for some bizarre reason, but it still looks really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'll do in a time lapse and just go through and take my little solution here and just put it all over, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I went ahead and got the shine out of the ones that I want to use here. This one's still kind of drying a little bit, you can see. But I thought these would make great pockets. Like, how fun are these little aircraft little pockets here. Okay, so we got that one. You can see the shine's gone. That's the other side where it's still shiny. On that side, the shine's gone. And then this one's still a little bit shiny. So it just depends on the material and what the background is really made of. But you can see, I mean, it matted it a little bit. But that one still has a little shine, so I'm not sure about that one. And then this one, I think that turned out pretty cool. So that's kind of fun. And then let's see, did this one, so this one's kind of the same, where you got a little bit of shine in it, but not too bad. And then I did that with the maps here. This one's a little wet in some spots, but you can see that's the other side. Like that. And then it really does matte it down and make it not as shiny. And then same with this. That's the shiny side. And then that's the other side. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I definitely want to make some fun little pockets out of these, and I want to do a belly band, and I'm thinking this one will be fun. So you just kind of look at what you got and see how it will work for you, and just go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today, and getting out all your, just do little, I mean, you can do these with flyers that come in the mail, and just any kind of cardstock stuff in the mail is what I usually love to do. But I just found these, you know, like when you go to a little trinket store, or little when you're on vacation or anything like that, and just find these fun, just little advertisement flyers. Those are great to play with. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the words off here. And then I'm not throwing these away because these make great little pockets, little side tucks, little, you know, side belly band things. Those would work great. And I'm just getting stuff ready to go into the junk journal. And all this stuff would be great for collage too. There we go. And I really like that. All right, so next what I want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take it over to my sewing machine and do a little stitching around it. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little inking with some black soot. You can see that turned out really cool. So that's the back part, which won't be showing because, you know, it's going to be a belly band. So, okay, so another thing you could do, like I want to use this little magazine clipping that says Alaska, and I want to put it down, but it's a little shiny. So I'm just taking the solution here and just some of it off the lid and just kind of tapping my finger on it. And you can even go like this with it. And then pop the word down like that. So it's got glue in it. I could tell you guys is, you know, what's in it, but I just don't remember exactly the measurements, and I don't want to be wrong for you guys. So I put the, like I said, it's going to be on the end screen at the end. So what it is just Elmer's glue, baby powder, and water. It's just, I don't exactly remember the ratio. So it's just stuff around your house. You know, I'm sure that, you know, you got Elmer's glue hanging around and some just baby powder or cornstarch. It's the same difference. The baby powder I have is just pure cornstarch. It just has a scent to it, like a smell. But so it does have glue in it, so you can just kind of glue down what you want if it's shiny, and then just let it dry. So it's kind of fun just to do a little collage. I also got some really fun just business cards when I went to this cute little shop. And I mean, like that one, how cool is that? That'll be a fun little side pocket, I think, a little side tuck. And then I could take the shine out of this, but you could just do that. You could just take your finger. And this stuff is just amazing. I mean, it really does work. It's the cornstarch in it too that helps just get that shine out. So just come watch the video, and it tells you exactly the measurements. I tell you exactly what it is, but off the top of my head, I don't remember. Okay, see, so you could just take your finger and just, there you go. Just kind of rub it on there and let it sit to the side, and yeah, and you just got a little bit of Elmer's glue and stuff on your fingers. Not too big of a deal. Okay, so we got that one done, and I like the way it turned out. So I think that one would be cool. Let's just put that to the side and play around with the pockets. So I'm really liking these pockets. And I'm just gonna get them cut out real quick and take them to the sewing machine and see what we can do. So these are super fun. I mean, those are just really cool. And black soot. All right, so I want to go ahead and make this map into a cute little just booklet here that'll fold like that. And I want to keep this part because I think it's cute with the bears and stuff. And so I put some of the glue solution on there to get the shine out. And I want to get rid of the words on the inside, so I just have some onion skin dyed lined paper. And I'm just going to take my paintbrush. So it's nice, the solution, you just have it and it's versatile. Like, I could just glue this paper down. And there we go. And this will be just a cute little booklet in there. And I got some papers pre-cut right here to add to it. So I'm just gonna lay this to the side and let it dry for a second. And we'll go from there. All right, so this one turned out really cute. I put some papers in there, and then it folds out like that. Did some sewing around it, and then I just sewed right in the middle right here to add the paper. So little writing spaces, like that, and like that. and then it just closes, and then there we go. So now we get a cute little journal, little booklet that we can add into our journal. So we got that one, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over and sew. You can see that it's not really shiny anymore. That's the back part of it. So it's still a little shiny. And I'm going to sew around it and have this for a little pocket. So we made some fun things to add to our junk journal, and I think they turned out really cool. I love this little booklet. I think it's so much fun. So we got that one, and then our belly band here, some pockets. I did another belly band out of this one, and just some sewing, and added a little bit of the paws here out of the newspaper I had, and just did some sewing around this out of the newspaper. And I love this little raven here, so I did a just some sewing around it, and I think this will be a great little side tuck or little pocket. And another little business card. It says Rustic Clay AK, so I thought that was kind of cool. And then another little business card that has some embroidery and stuff on it, and yeah, I think that turned out really cool. I like that. And the little starfish, little business card. So I think that'll be fun to play with. So I hope you guys found this informational, and like keep all your flyers and all your stuff when you go to little trinket stores and things like that. They're fun to make things with, and yeah, and then how to take the shine out of stuff is really fun. So I hope you found this informative. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.